The English landscape garden normally included a lake, lawns set versus groves of trees, and frequently consisted of shrubberies, grottos, pavilions, bridges and recklessness such as mock temples, Gothic ruins, bridges, and other picturesque architecture, created to recreate a picturesque pastoral. This brand new style emerged in England in the early 18th century, and spread throughout Europe, changing the more formal, symmetrical garden la Frennaise of the 17th century as the principal gardening style of Europe. They were typically motivated by paintings of landscapes by Claude Lorraine and Nicolas Poussin, and some were influenced by the timeless Chinese gardens of the East, which had actually recently been explained by European tourists. The work of Lancelot Ability Brown was particularly prominent. Also, in 1804 the Horticultural Society was formed. This is likewise the time when the so-called gardinesque style of gardens progressed. These gardens displayed a wide range of flowers in a rather little area. Rock gardens increased in appeal in the 19th century. In India, in the ancient times, patterns from spiritual geometry and mandalas were utilized to create their gardens. Such a garden was also referred to as a mandala vatika. The word vatika can imply garden, plantation or parterre. A natural garden on a school campus. Residential gardening takes place near the house, in an area referred to as the garden. Although a garden typically lies on the land near a home, it may also be found on a roof, in an atrium, on a terrace, in a window box, on a patio or vivarium. In these scenarios, a personnel of gardeners or groundskeepers keeps the gardens. Indoor gardening is worried with the growing of houseplants within a residence or structure, in a conservatory, or in a greenhouse. Indoor gardens are sometimes incorporated as part of AC or a heater. Indoor gardening extends the growing season in the fall and spring and can be used for winter gardening. The goal is to create a garden in consistency with, and adjusted to a given location. This kind of gardening generally decreases water use, maintenance, and fertilization expenses, while increasing native faunal interest. Water gardening is worried with growing plants adjusted to swimming pools and ponds. Bog gardens are likewise thought about a type of water garden. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.